Hello everybody. Today we're gonna talk about why I think TripAdvisor stock price could double. Okay, right now the stock price is around $60, and I only bought excuse me. So I only bought one share of TripAdvisor for around $50, just one share. I'm gonna explain why. And I am not a financial advisor, so I could be wrong. And before I start, let's give a little update on my portfolio. As you know, last week the stock price dropped a lot, and recently it has started to recover. And I still haven't sold a single share. And I make a video. I used to make videos about Mogul, Discovery, Euros, all those stocks. I haven't even sold a single share yet. Okay, let's talk about why I think this TripAdvisor, excuse me, stock could double. Okay, for the first reason, TripAdvisor have a monthly user of 460 million. So that's worldwide user. So that's about half the size of Instagram. Instagram monthly user is about, I think it was 1 billion something, and TripAdvisor only have 460 million. But per user, TripAdvisor makes like pennies revenue, very low. So as you can see, TripAdvisor valuation right now is around 7 billion. The reason TripAdvisor don't make much money per user is because when you want to find a hotel, you search on a website. But when you find the hotel that you want to book, you have to go to the online agency website to book. So it's kind of like if you want to like excuse me. So it's kind of like you're not making any money out of the transactional fee, because it's kind of like a newspaper. TripAdvisor, just look at it, that's it. You're not making any money anything else of that customer. Just make money of ads, advertisement, that's it. So you don't make, TripAdvisor don't make much money. uh, what are they going to do to address that problem? And it's the reason why I am buying kind of like the stock. Since the stock I bought once, as you know, I bought one share like 1 or 2 weeks ago for $50, and I'm planning on buying more. Excuse me, I need to drink some water. I'm planning on buying more if stock price can drop a little. I think its valuation is too high. Okay, so the reason why I think you have a lot of potential to double is because they are going to release TripAdvisor Plus. It's a product that addresses the problem of people going off to off website to other people's website, like booking website, to book their hotel. So what is TripAdvisor Plus? TripAdvisor Plus is when they're still on beta right now, so we don't know if the product gonna be successful. So my best recommendation is for you to wait and see how many people they can subscribe to TripAdvisor Plus, and how I think it's a no-brainer product. Okay, so what TripAdvisor Plus is that TripAdvisor will have their own salespeople, and if I own a hotel, so it's called it stock market hotel, and I want to participate on TripAdvisor Plus as well. So I will talk to one of the TripAdvisor agency and let them know that I want to participate in TripAdvisor Plus. So to participate, as the owner of the hotel, all I have to do is give any TripAdvisor Plus subscribers minimum 10% off, or you can offer them drinks like wine or room upgrades or anything like that. But that's all you have to do to participate on TripAdvisor Plus. And you, what's the benefit to me? That the owner of hotel. So the benefit is that I will get, excuse me, I will get better search results, and I will also get a badge for TripAdvisor Plus. So it's actually a no-brainer for the owner to participate, owner of the hotel to participate on TripAdvisor Plus, and because there's no fee I have to pay, no monthly fee or yearly fee for me to participate on TripAdvisor Plus. All I have to do to qualify is that I just need to offer like minimum of 10% off. I can offer more. Okay, so well, that's the owner side. It's win for the owner. And what's consumer? Consumer is for me. If I buy book the hotel on the TripAdvisor website, I get 10% off. So it's cheaper. And TripAdvisor, the owner of the website, what will they get? They will get a $99 subscription fee from the consumer. So that $99, I think it was $99 or $90 per year. The margin gonna be extremely high, probably 95%, because they have no cost to produce that kind of income. For example, Netflix, if you pay like $13 a month to watch Netflix content, Netflix is putting like $12 billion into production to make movie, TV shows, so it's worth the $13. But TripAdvisor Plus, the cost of that $90 revenue, subscription revenue, is very, very, very low, probably like 5% or less for technology cost. That's it. And they are not putting billions of dollars to produce any product. They just need to they just need hotel owners right now. Just hotel owners, they are rolling out in beta right now, or they can do like more like hotels, cruise lines, restaurants. Like restaurant owner can sign up as well in the future. So that's the game plan right now. They just get owners to sign up. That's it. They don't have any like cost or any major cost to produce that subscription revenue. And one reason why that I think a lot of people will sign up is because, say if like there's like around 2019, there's around 160 million clicks that like consumers on TripAdvisor books 5 or day more of hotels. So that's around like $600 or $700. So if you sign up for TripAdvisor Plus, you get minimum of 10% off of those hotels, and you save 70%. So you make your $90 subscription per year, your money back on your first purchase. That's what's so amazing about this product. This TripAdvisor Plus product is focused on people that travel a lot, or focused on people that live in hotels, or it's basically a no-brainer deal. So they don't need to spend a lot of money to advertise TripAdvisor Plus. They just need to, now when a customer book like a 5 days hotel and it costs like $600-700, just ask them if they want like TripAdvisor Plus to get the $70 off, so or $80 off. Then your whole subscription is $90. You basically make your money back on your first purchase. That's what's so amazing about this product. What this product is, I don't know. I have no idea. They're still testing it right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a couple months and see if like more than couple million people sign up, I gotta put probably $5,000 on this stock on TripAdvisor Plus. I buy it like if it's went out to $70, $80, I don't care, because the margin on those subscription revenue is very high. Right now, TripAdvisor only have yearly revenue about around 1.4 billion, something like that. And if they can get 10 million people to sign up, they could eventually double their revenue by a lot. Plus, when a consumer sign up for TripAdvisor Plus, they'll be more loyal to the brand because you already have a subscription on the product. So you will take advantage of the subscription and not use Google search for your hotel searches or any other searches. So TripAdvisor Plus just basically makes TripAdvisor a booking agency. Okay, so that's the right. I think that's the right business model, because like booking wholesale agency, they also like when a hotel sign up with a booking agency, like if I'm a consumer sign up with them and I buy and book a room with a booking agency, they take a 30% commission cut from the hotel. But if I am a hotel owner sign up with TripAdvisor Plus, TripAdvisor Plus only take $0, no commission. You just need to offer that discount to the consumer. It's a win-win for everybody. I think TripAdvisor Plus is a way better deal than those booking agencies like Expedia. I think they take a lot of cut from booking hotels on their website as well from the hotel owners. Okay, so that's basically my conclusion on TripAdvisor Plus. So to summarize, if TripAdvisor Plus can get 5 to 10 million people sign up, I will put $5,000 to buy the stock. If they cannot, I will not put $5,000. Why I am buying the stock? I am buying because the TripAdvisor Plus can potentially disrupt the booking agencies market. Okay, so that's how big the potential is. Plus, the CEO of TripAdvisor is buying his own stock. He don't own a lot like Elon Musk. He owns less than 10%, but he's still buying his stock with his own money. So that's a good sign. So what we do now is wait and see if the TripAdvisor Plus will get successful. They just launched beta right now, and they're going to massively roll out in the next couple months. If it's successful, I buy the stock. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and I will make more. Please also turn on the notification so you will know when I make an update on TripAdvisor Plus as well. Thank you for watching.